In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email template in Hubspot so you can save time and reuse your designs for future campaigns. This is great for newsletters, promotions, and any repeated email format you send often. First, log into your Hubspot account and go to the top menu. Click on Marketing, then select Email. Now, click on Create Email. Choose any email type and then select Start from Template or Drag and Drop Editor. Once the editor opens, design your email layout. You can drag elements like text, images, buttons, and dividers into your email. Edit the colors, fonts, and content to match your brand. After you finish designing your email, look for the option to Save as Template. Give your template a name so you can easily find it later. Now, the next time you create a new email, you can choose Saved Templates and reuse this design instead of starting from scratch. That's it. You've successfully created an email template in HubSpot and can now reuse it for all your future email campaigns. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials and check the links in the description. I'll see you in the next video.